Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the washer and standing where you can reach the control panel. Once powered, press the power button to wake the display. This lets you change settings. Make sure the drum is empty so the timer logic uses normal balance assumptions. Next, select the program closest to the load type, cotton, synthetics, or delicates, because the machine auto-adjusts default time based on that choice. Now move directly to setting the time or duration control. You now adjust the wash duration using the time or plus/minus buttons. Hold to accelerate changes or press stepwise for precision. Because spin speed and temperature affect soak and rinse phases, make sure you pick those before locking time. The controller recalculates the final estimate. If your model offers eco or rapid presets, toggle them only after setting options. They override manual times. Once done, verify the display shows the desired. Press start and watch the display count down. Within the first 30 seconds, you should hear the drum and pump engage. That confirms the controller accepted your time. If the time blinks or an error appears, stop the cycle and reset power for 10 seconds, then retry. This clears transient faults. If it still won't set, open and rebalance the load. Ensure the door is fully latched and water inlets are open. Imbalance or lack of water forces the machine to adjust or refuse the set time.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.